Let's talk about flowers. Flowers grow on plants all around the world. A flower has petals on the outside. Petals are soft and they open up to show their color. Flowers come in many different colors. They can be red, yellow, pink, orange, white, or purple. Below the petals is the stem. It holds the flower up. Leaves grow on the stem. They are usually flat and green, and they help the plant grow strong. Some flowers have a very sweet smell. Their soft, gentle scent fills the air around them. Flowers grow in many different places. You can find them in gardens, parks, fields, and in pots at home. In Japan, cherry blossoms are very famous. They are small and pink, and they appear in early spring. When the cherry blossoms bloom, many people go outside to see them. Sunflowers are also popular. They are tall and bright yellow, and they turn to face the sun. People give flowers as a gift on special days. A bunch of flowers wrapped together is called a bouquet. You can buy flowers at a flower shop. The person there arranges them to look beautiful. At home, people place flowers in a vase. The vase holds water to keep the flowers looking fresh. Flowers are a simple gift from nature. They bring color and life to everyday places, and they make people smile.